अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज की वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं अर्थ एंड मार्स वर फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम कोलिजन्स ऑफ लार्ज बॉडीज़ मेड ऑफ इनर सोलर सिस्टम मटेरियल के बारे में, कि किस तरीके से अर्थ और मार्स जो है वो कोलिजन हो रहा है उनमें लार्ज बॉडीज़ का मेड ऑफ इनर सोलर सिस्टम मटेरियल। तो चलिए वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट। इंटरनेशनल रिसर्च टीम investigated the isotopic composition of rocky planets in the inner solar system. Earth and Mars were formed from material that largely originated in the inner solar system. Only a few percent of the building blocks of these two planets originated beyond Jupiter's orbit. A group of researchers led by the University of Münster, Germany, report these findings on December 22, 2021 in the journal Science Advances. They present the most comprehensive comparison to date of the isotopic composition of Earth, Mars and pristine building material from the inner and outer solar system. Some of this material is totally still found largely unaltered in meteorites. The results of the study have far-reaching consequences for our understanding of the process that formed the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The theory postulating that the four rocky planets grew to their present size by accumulating millimeter-sized dust pebbles from the outer solar system is not tenable. Approximately 4.6 billion years ago, in the early days of our solar system, a disk of dust and gases orbits the young sun. Two theories describes how in the course of millions of years the inner rocky planets formed from this original building material. According to the older theory, the dust in the inner solar system agglomerated to ever larger chunks, gradually reaching approximately the size of our moon. Collisions of these planetary embryos finally produced the inner planets Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. A newer theory, however, prefers a different growth process. Millimeter-sized dust pebbles migrated from the outer solar system toward the sun. On their way, they were accreted onto the planetary embryos of the inner solar system and step by step enlarged them to their present size. The four terrestrial planets Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, ये देख सकते हैं आप लोग यहाँ पे पिक में आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा. बोथ theories are based on theoretical models and computer simulations aimed at reconstructing the conditions and dynamic in the early solar system. Both describe a possible path of planet formation, but which one is right, which process actually took place? To answer these questions in their current study, researchers from the Universities of Münster, Germany, on the observators, the California Institute of Technology, USA, the Natural History Museum, Berlin, Germany, and the Free University of Berlin, Germany, determine the exact composition of the rocky planets Earth and Mars. We wanted to find out whether the building blocks of Earth and Mars originated in the outer or inner solar system, says Dr. Christoph Bergdahl of the University of Münster, the study's first author. To this end, the isotope of the rare metal titanium, zirconium and molybdenum found in minute traces in the outer silicate-rich layer of both planets provide crucial clue. Isotopes are different varieties of the same element which differ only in the weight of their atomic molecules. Meteorites as a reference, scientists assume that in the early solar system, these and other metal isotopes were not evenly distributed. Rather, their abundance depended on the distance from the sun. They therefore hold valuable information about where is the early solar system a certain body's building blocks originated. As a reference to the original isotopic inventory of the outer and inner solar system, the researchers used two types of meteorites. These chunks of rocks generally found their way to Earth from the asteroid belt, the region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. They are considered to be largely pristine material from the beginnings of the solar system. जी तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको पसंद आई होगी। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। फिर मिलेंगे किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।